Greetings everyone, this is Stefan. Welcome back to another video. SYGTECH is here. In today's video we're going to talk about something pretty cool as always, monitors. So my favorite monitors obviously is the Audio-Technica M50X. I've been using them since 4 years actually. Company reached out more than 2 months ago. Actually I did a video about this monitor, so in today's video I will talk about these monitors because they are amazing. They come with amazing features. The company doesn't pay me actually, they sent the monitors more than 2 months ago. I did a video already. So the M50X has been my main monitors for the past 4 years. They've been fantastic, except one thing which many people probably will relate to, that is the forcing clamp. When you use the M50X, they squeeze your head like a lemon. I guarantee you, even for half an hour, you're gonna feel them. But the difference at night and day when I use the HD01, they're lighter because they're 240 grams. The M50X is 320 grams, huge difference, and they don't squeeze my head actually. Pretty decent monitors. Price wise, we're talking about more than half. So the M50X is 140 pounds here in UK. The HD01 actually is 45 pounds, very different price target, but you get a lot for your money. Let's talk about the features, sound, and then build quality. So as you can see on both sides of the caps we have 3.5mm headphone jack, which is amazing. We have audio sharing here. So what does it mean? So you can plug the M50X here and then you can plug the other side to audio interface and you can share the music from the HD01 to M50X, no splitter needed. This is fantastic feature in my opinion if you, let's say, collaborating on a mix. Fantastic. And also bonus feature, if you travel you don't need a splitter, just get two headphones with a 3.5mm headphone jack and you're ready to go, so you can watch movies on the plane. Sound, we have 45mm drivers. The bass is punchy, the mids and the highs balanced, so the sound quality is very good. You're not going to have problems with the sound quality. And actually for some reason the bass is very punchy. I tried them to do some gaming as well. Actually it's pretty decent. Gaming is very nice as well. The bass is nice like I said, and they got like a flat response. Not the same as the M50X, but very good response, so you're gonna be happy with the sound quality. The build quality is decent as well. Obviously it's not premium, obviously this is made from plastic, but they are much lighter, and that's why it's a bonus in my opinion. Yes, the build quality is not the same as the M50X, but this is a good thing because like I mentioned, they're not gonna squeeze your head. I like the build quality. Obviously this is a fake leather, is not the same, but I do like the style of the HD01. So overall I'm very happy with this monitor headphones. As a backup, they are amazing. Obviously the M50X is a little bit more premium, but they come with the cost, the forcing clamp. So yeah, rocking this for half an hour you're gonna have problems, but the HD01 it's better. So let me know in the comments down below, what do you think guys? Yeah, for 45 pounds it's a no-brainer. Again, the company doesn't pay me to make this video, but I'm gonna link them in the descriptions down below if you want to purchase them. If you have any questions guys, leave it in the comments down below. SYGTECH is here. I'll see you in the next one.